This brand is made in China and can be purchased online through Alpine Home Air. The units have a 3-speed fan with oscillating louvers for better air distribution throughout the room. They are Wi-Fi enabled for control through smartphone app, and they use state-of-the-art inverter compressor technology. They are pretty quiet when operating and they are backed by a good guarantee, but they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The BMX DIY models have a 20 SEER efficiency and include everything to install the system. The refrigerant lines are shipped under vacuum to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture, and they have quick connect fittings for easy installation. The 9000 and 12000 BTU models use 115-volt power for more flexibility in installation. The Bristol-Myers Squibb DIY models have a 22 SEER cooling efficiency, but they are a little bit more expensive. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Basic and Ultimate categories. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.